Chop, chop, garlic in pan. Add some oil if you can. Sizzle, pop, and bubble on. Kitchen smells like early dawn. Mix it up with chicken slice. Stir it till firm and nice. Add some salt and pepper too. Pasta gonna be just right. Cooking time, let's try it out. Flavors dance in a tasty way. Spices here and veggies there. Cooking time, we love to share. Lay the pasta in the pan. Fry it till brown and shine. With some tomato sauce. Everything feels so right. Mix, stir, and fry again. Sprinkle basil in the pan.